So let's explore what it actually looks like when you search for a specific career. Given the times, let's search for registered nurses. And we're going to do that right here at the top in this bar. I'm going to go ahead and click search. And it does give us a bunch of different types of information related to registered nurses. But for the sake of this, we're just going to click here. So I want to show you over on the right-hand side under quick facts, you'll see important information like salary range, the minimum education level that you're going to need. So if you're kind of the mind that you don't want to go to college, check out this area because it's going to tell you whether you need to do so or not. Then it goes on to give you a little bit more about experience, the skills and traits, and so on. Over here, in the more detailed information, it goes way in depth about what it actually takes to do the job, advanced prospects, more in depth about your education, and special requirements. So go ahead and type in some search queries there to see what you could potentially do in the future.